Hi Paul, you listed last year to develop the Koongie Park copper zinc project in Western Australia's Halls Creek region. What do you like so much about the project?
It was an interesting area, Gareth. We'd spent a lot of time trying to identify different projects to support the company's relisting on the ASX. There was quite a bit of potential. The other key part about this project, there had been some work done on it in the past. So there's quite a body of information that we tapped into. And then pretty much, from the time of the raising, we put $7 million in the bank and then got straight into the drilling virtually straight after relisting. So look, it's and it's only really been since we got involved, we've gained a whole lot more knowledge of the different players in that region as well. And there's a lot more going on in Halls Creek than what probably a lot of people think.
Now you're not alone in the Halls Creek region. It's attracted many miners of late. Why do you think that's so, Paul?
It was the area where gold was first discovered in West Australia in the mid 1880s. So it was 10 years before Paddy Hannon was doing his tricks in Kalgoorlie. So it's not a new phenomenon, but I suppose it just hasn't had the attention that some of the other areas maybe in West Australia have had.
Now since you listed last year, you haven't let the grass grow under your feet. You've sunk 6,500 metres worth into Koongie Park, and there's another 7,500 metres worth of drilling currently underway. What are the results telling you?
That they've really identified for us at these two particular deposits, Oneida and San Diego, which are both just 10 to 15 kilometres outside of town. That underpinned the previous resource estimate, and that's where we focused on drilling those. The 6,500 metres drilling were in and around those two deposits, and the drilling we did gave us a great deal of confidence of not only what we thought was there before, but we've identified additional mineralisation. So that just gave us confidence, and the resource estimate, we increased the overall tonnes by 30%.
Now your San Diego deposit has returned some impressive results. Just how chunky are the numbers?
That's potentially a deeper resource as well, which we really haven't tested. Some of the historic holes and some of the holes we drilled got down to about 500 metres last year. So it's still open at depth, and we're also, as part of the current drilling program, looking to test some of the potential extensions at San Diego. So it's looking like a pretty high grade copper resource, and that's also where we're seeing a significant distribution of cobalt throughout the deposit.
Well, it seems it's all happening for AuKing and its Koongie Park project in Halls Creek. What is the near-term upside for shareholders?
We're focusing on a project called EMAL, which had quite a lot of historic drilling undertaken. And then there's another area that's to the south of Oneida. We're looking forward to being able to put some results out to the market from early August, and then have a stream of results for the next few weeks after that.